If you need to unassign or remove a domain on Bluehost, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. This is really useful if you no longer want a domain connected to your hosting account, or if you're cleaning up your Bluehost setup and want to remove an old domain from the dashboard. Just keep in mind that removing a domain from hosting is not the same thing as deleting the domain registration itself. So if you want to fully cancel or manage the domain itself, that is a separate step. If this video helps you out, please hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick Bluehost tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for the menu on the left-hand side. From there, click Hosting. This will take you to the hosting management area where you can access the tools linked to your website and domains. Next, open cPanel. Bluehost organizes a lot of the advanced site and domain controls inside cPanel. So this is the area you want to be in for the next steps. After cPanel loads, scroll down until you see the domain section. This section contains the tools for viewing and managing domains connected to your account. Now click Domains. You should see a list of domains associated with your hosting setup. Take a moment to find the domain you want to remove. If you have multiple domains, make sure you choose the correct one so you don't accidentally remove the wrong connection. Once you've found the domain, click Manage next to it. This opens the settings for that specific domain. In the management options, look for the Remove Domain button. Click Remove Domain to begin the removal process. Bluehost will usually ask you to confirm your choice, and this is an important safety step. To continue, click Yes. Remove this domain. After you confirm, Bluehost will unassign the domain from the hosting account. The domain will no longer be connected in that hosting setup, and you can then use it elsewhere if needed. Now, there's one really important thing to remember. Removing a domain from hosting does not cancel the domain registration. That means the domain itself may still be active in your account or through your registrar. If the domain is an external domain, Bluehost also has a Remove Domain option in the domain section, so you may see slightly different wording depending on how the domain was added. So if your goal is just to disconnect the domain from your Bluehost hosting, these steps will do it. If your goal is to fully delete, transfer, or cancel the domain itself, you'll need to go into the domain registration settings separately and handle that from the correct place. And that's it. You've now learned how to unassign or remove a domain on Bluehost. If this helped, please give the video a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.